Her legs have gotten a lot longer since we bought it. Because she totally couldn't range.
Yeah, it's true. Look at her go. Lucy!
Lucy!
Show us how it's done, Lou.
Lucy, look at Mama.
I'm recording.
Oh, well, that's not really cool.
Oh.
I thought we were doing picture time. Ring the bell, Lulu. Can you ring your bell?
That's advanced,
No.
Dad.
Wow! Got places to go, huh? Beep, 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 beep. You didn't know the steering fully worked out. But...
Yeah, she pretty much like goes in an arc because she always veers right.
She's a uni-turner.
Yeah, dude. Totally is. Wow, she's doing it so much more than yesterday. Look at you go, Lucy.